Unfolding the mystery. The art of folding laundry. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and everyday phrase, folding the laundry. Whether you're a language learner trying to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in understanding daily English phrases better, this video is for you. Let's unfold the mystery together and learn not just what this phrase means but also how it's a part of our daily lives. Folding the laundry refers to the action of organizing clothes after they have been washed and dried. This process involves bending and creasing clothes into a neat shape so that they can be stored easily in drawers or closets. It's a common household chore that many people do regularly. Folding helps in reducing wrinkles, saving space, and keeping your clothes in good condition for longer. Folding laundry might seem straightforward, but there's a bit of an art to it. Here's a simplified breakdown. 1. Sorting. Before you start folding, sort your laundry into categories like shirts, pants, towels, etc. This makes the process more efficient. 2. Shaking. Gently shake each item to smooth out major wrinkles. 3. Folding. Depending on the item, there are different methods to fold. For example, shirts can be laid flat on a surface, folded in at the sides, and then folded upwards from the bottom. Pants are typically folded in half lengthwise and then over once or twice. 4. Storing. Once folded, the clothes should be stored away neatly in their designated spots. To make your laundry folding experience better, here are some tips. Be consistent in how you fold each type of clothing to maximize space and maintain order. Involve the family. Make it a group activity to teach responsibility and share the workload. Fold clothes as soon as they're dry to minimize wrinkles and reduce the need for ironing. Use folding tools. Items like folding boards can help achieve uniform folds and save time. Beyond just making your clothes look neat, folding laundry has several benefits. Saves space. Properly folded clothes take up less room, allowing for a more organized space. Preserves clothes. Folding helps maintain the shape and integrity of your garments, extending their life. Reduces stress. A neat and orderly space can reduce anxiety and make finding clothes easier. Thank you for joining us today to learn about folding the laundry. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you some insight into this common household chore. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and the everyday tasks that language describes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy folding, and see you in our next video.